How to configure the new MYOB Accounting API in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this AAAPOS training video. In this guide, we'll walk through how to configure the new MYOB Accounting API and complete the secure authorization process in RetailManager. Open RetailManager, then go to Setup, Options, and Accounting. This will open the accounting configuration window. In the Package field, select Account Write Online API. Then click Configure to open the MYOB sign-in window. Enter the email address you used to sign in to MYOB. Then continue to the sign-in process. Enter your MYOB password, then select Sign In. MYOB will send a verification code to your registered email or device. Enter the verification code, then select Continue. Once verified, RetailManager will display the MYOB businesses linked to your account. If multiple businesses are displayed, select the correct one, then click Connect. RetailManager will now retrieve your available company files. Choose the company file you want to connect to. Then enter your MYOB company file username and password. If no password has been set for the company file, please leave the password field blank. Once completed, click Test. If all details are correct, a message will appear confirming the connection was successful. Click OK. Then select Apply to save your settings. Your MYOB Accounting API connection is now configured and ready to use. Thanks for watching this AAAPOS training video. If you need assistance, please contact AAAPOS support.